So I am back to take another shot at telling you guys about this wig. This is the synthetic wig Carrie by Uniwigs. Now I did the unboxing, it's been a couple of weeks, and I've done my best to wear this wig. Not every day, not 24 hours a day, but several times throughout the week so that I can play with her and style her and get her to my liking. So we're going to talk about it for a few minutes. If you'd like to see the unboxing where it's fresh out of the box on my head, you know, no manipulation, and the stats on it, you know, like what the inside looks like and things like that, you can go back, and I think that's the last video I did. So there's a couple of things about this wig. So first of all, I made a huge mistake picking this color. I did not purchase this wig. It was sent to me by Uniwigs to do a review for them. Also, in a previous video back, I did a topper for Uniwigs also, and that color was in the almond frost color, and I had thought that it was too dark for me. So, but it grew on me after a while, so I had told them about it being too dark and that I wanted something more blonder when they asked me to review this wig. So I'm like, yeah, a blonder wig. Yeah, that'll work. But in reality, I feel like this color drowns me out. Now, I'm going to go ahead and step outside here in a few minutes. It is crappy out, it's snowy out, the sun is not out, the sky is gray, but it'll get me away from these lights in my room and the lights from the camera and the dark background, messy bedroom. It'll get me out of here and out in some natural lighting so that you can get a better look at it, but it's pretty much not really gonna change. It's like that beige, I mean, like, oh, what's the word because I know it isn't beige. It's like, it's pale. It's like a pale sun blonde. And it was too thick for me, and I did manipulate it. I did cut it with my thinning shears. I thinned out a lot of hair. I thinned in between layers of the hair. I thinned out some wefts. I had a lot of problem with the bang flopping in my face. So I won't recommend this, but I used this little handy dandy little thing right here. So this is like Conair, and it has the round brush and it blows warm or hot air out of it. Now this is synthetic, so you do not want to use heat on it. However, I did put this on the lowest setting so it had some warmth. And then I had to train these bangs to stay away from my face. So basically, as it was, you know, blowing warm air, I did one of these things right here and got it to go away from my face. So that worked. And of course, with some hairspray. Same thing with this side. You know, it was going in my face. So I had to do the same thing with this side. I also trimmed the fringe just a little bit. I also did one of my little tricks where I like to put some wispy hairs in here. You know, I kind of just used the scissors and kind of get some little wispies. The other thing that really helps for me is I used my rat tail comb and I pulled out just a little bit of hair around the hairline, because the hairline is really not that great. It isn't. The Permatease is just, it's loaded with Permatease. Now, Permatease can be your friend if you like that height, because you can really get this wig up with some height and stuff like that. Problem is, for me, when there's too much Permatease, I feel like it looks kind of ratty up in there. However, I don't know too many people who are going to be right up in your head like this. But there's a couple little things that I did to try to really help this wig. I also noticed that this one is a little bit wavier. It has more body to it compared to some of the other reviewers that I've seen. Like, mine actually is kind of curly. Now, I said that when I did my unboxing, that it had like a wave pattern to it, where I didn't notice that in some of the other videos. But I was totally okay with that because I like a curly hair. Now, the length on this is fairly long. It's a lot longer than what I expected. However, I'm only like 5'1.5". So on me, I guess it's probably a lot longer than most people. I mean, because this is pretty darn long. Yeah, it's pretty long, and it has these waves. So I think when it's so long, it kind of drags my face. It makes my face look even more egg-shaped, elongated. So I think what I'll do is a little bit of a spin for you. I've done this already in my last video, but like I said, there's a couple of things I've done to this wig for me to like it better. Now, maybe this is a little Bridget Bardot-ish, if you know who that is. If you're young, you probably don't. If you're my age or older, you know who Bridget Bardot is. The volume, I like that humpiness in the back of the head, so I kind of did a little bit of using that Permatease to my advantage. I like that humpiness in the back. That's hence what I mean by Bridget Bardot-ish, because that's where I like my fullness to be. It's kind of like in the back of the head. Like I said, I did pull some of my bangs out or along my hairline. I don't, if you watch some of my videos, I think a couple videos back, maybe it was with the topper, and I said I have not colored my roots, and my roots are coming in darker. And it was really working for that topper, because the topper, like I said, is an almond frost, so not coloring my roots was really working for that. But I couldn't pull it off with this wig because the wig is so light and the roots are so dark. So I gave in and I colored my roots. So it's still not a perfect match because my hair is more, like I said, this is a pale blonde and my hair is a yellowish blonde. So it's still not a perfect match. If you look at my hair, it's not a perfect match. But the hairline on this wig, you cannot wear it away from your face. You can't. The hairline is just, in my opinion, it's not that great. It really isn't. So you must use some of your own hair to disguise that for when the wind blows. Honestly, I have not had much tangling with this wig. Even though this wig is so long, you would think that it would tangle right up. But I wore my winter coat today. I wore a winter hat today. I've been out and about shopping, got my nails done, all this girl stuff. I've been out and about all day long, and I didn't even get any snarls in it. I didn't. So I will say I'm surprised with that. With this length and the thickness of this wig, I would think that it'd be a rat's nest, but it wasn't. So I was pleasantly surprised. Okay, let's talk about the shine. So I've been wearing it, brushing it, combing it, and adding dry shampoo. Yes, you can get the Equate dry shampoo. It smells like roses. At Walmart for like $2. I mean, it's on the down low cheap. Oh, man. And it still is so shiny. I mean, I don't know if it's because it's this color. I'm really not sure. I mean, so really on this wig, I'm kind of on the fence. I like it now that I've cut some wispies into it and trained the bangs, and I got the little poof how I like it right here. I also, to try to hide some of that Permatease, I have a little trick that I do. So I'm just going to show you real quick. And my camera is, oh gosh, doesn't even want to stay. So like I take the hair and I don't make it like an even straight part. Like you can't just go, there's a part, because you can't do that. It's Permatease. There's Permatease in there. So like I said, I kind of brush the back so that I can kind of give it that, like I said, that little Gilberto poof in the back, kind of right back there. And then you get that situated. And then I will take, I've already done it, so I'm afraid if I do it again, I'm going to mess it all up. But you'll get the idea when I start showing you. So I kind of like my part always over to the side. I'm a side part lady. So I take some hair from, see, like I said, I already done it, so this is going to be hard. Maybe I'll do a different part. So I'll take some hair from over here and put it over here. And then I'll take some hair over here and put it over here. Okay? And then take a little bit of hair over here. And I just keep kind of doing that back and forth until I just got like no rhyme to my reason, just sectioned off little area like that. And there you go. You don't have to worry about a part, trying to make a part in a Permatease wig. But it's trial and error. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your wig. You do whatever you want to do with your wig. I like this wig. I think it's going to be alright. I probably will save it for the summer because of how light it is. But I also think I'm going to cut it. Now, like I said, I did train the bangs to go the way I wanted them to. And I did thin it out. I did thin the layers in the back. I did thin all through the bangs. They were so thick. So thick. I'm not used to thick hair. It doesn't feel right on me. So I just thinned it all out. Now I think what I'll do is I'll continue to play with it. I'll continue to work on different styles. But I do think I'm taking some length off. It is too long for me. I can't have it that long. It just doesn't seem right for me. Hold on a second. I got a whiny fur baby outside the door dying to get in here and be in the video. So hold on a second. Oh my goodness. Are you happy now? Is you happy now? Oh my goodness. Okay. So Yes, I will be taking some length off of this. Probably, oh my goodness, I'm probably gonna take quite a bit off. I think I'm gonna take it right up to like my um clavicle bone. So yeah, I'm probably gonna take a good, oh wow, yeah. For you ladies who love these long wigs, you're probably cringing right now. You can't cut all that hair off. No. But yes. So you're gonna cut some of that off. All right there. Okay, so that wraps it up for this Carrie. I do truly believe that I would like this wig a lot better if I chosen a different color. So I feel bad sitting here playing with my camera, but it just don't want to stay. I'm sure you don't want to see me all up in your face. Better. Okay, so that's it. That's it. Might do a review on it a little later on down the road. But anyways, so we're going to step outside, and that will conclude the video for this wig, the Carrie wig, synthetic, Permatease, no clips, no combs. They do send you combs. They do send you a brush. No shedding. I did not experience any shedding at all. No tangling. I have not experienced any tangling. Yes, it's shiny. Yes, it's long. Yes, it's thick. So there you go. That's my ruling on this wig. Anyways, everybody have a good weekend. Sayonara. Bye. Okay, it is recording. Here I am outside to show you the color on this Carrie. Well, I'll freeze my booty off. So, whew. Like I said, the sky is gray. There's a ton of snow on the ground. Whew. It's cold. So, here she is in the winter lighting since there's no sun. Your paws are cold. Okay, that's it. It's quick. It's too cold. Bye.